Your car's catalytic converter is like a big metal tube. It's part of the exhaust system. It has a honeycomb structure inside. This honeycomb is coated with special metals. These metals clean up the bad stuff in your car's exhaust, things like harmful gases. Cleaning this up is important for the environment. It also helps your car run its best. Over time, the catalytic converter can get clogged up. This is bad news. One sign is your car's engine light coming on. You might also notice your car is sluggish. It might not accelerate as quickly as it used to. Another sign is a sulfur-like smell from the exhaust. This smell is very noticeable. It means your converter is struggling. If you notice these signs, it's time to clean your catalytic converter. Before you start, gather your tools. You'll need some basic stuff. Get yourself a good pair of work gloves. Safety glasses are important too. You don't want any of that cleaner splashing in your eyes. You'll need a wrench set to loosen bolts. A catalytic converter cleaner is a must-have. You can find this at any auto parts store. Finally, get a garden hose with a spray nozzle. This will help you rinse everything off. First, park your car on a level surface. Make sure the engine is cool. Safety first. Next, locate the catalytic converter. It's usually under the car, near the engine. It looks like a big metal bulge in the exhaust pipe. Spray the cleaner onto the converter. Follow the instructions on the bottle. Let the cleaner soak for the recommended time. Now use the garden hose to rinse off the cleaner. Make sure you get all the residue off. Section 5. Safety first. Working on your car can be dangerous if you don't take precautions. Always wear your safety glasses and gloves when handling chemicals. The cleaner can irritate your skin and eyes. Make sure the car is parked on a level surface and the parking brake is engaged. You don't want the car rolling over you while you're underneath it. And most importantly, if you're not comfortable working on your own car, take it to a mechanic. Section 6. Putting it back together. Once the converter is clean, let it dry completely. Then you can put everything back together. Reinstall the converter and tighten all the bolts securely. Make sure everything is properly connected. Start the engine and let it run for a few minutes. Check for any leaks around the converter. If you see any, tighten the bolts or replace the gaskets. Section 7. Keeping it clean. You've cleaned your catalytic converter. Great job. Now let's keep it that way. Regular car maintenance is key. Make sure you're getting your oil changed and your engine tuned up on schedule. Use good quality fuel. Cheap fuel can contain impurities that can clog your converter. By taking these steps, you can avoid future buildup and keep your converter running smoothly. Section 8. Why cleaning helps. A clean catalytic converter is essential for your car's performance. It helps your engine run more efficiently. It also reduces harmful emissions. This is good for the environment and for your health. Plus, a clean converter can extend the life of your car. It's a win-win situation. Section 9. In conclusion, cleaning your catalytic converter is a simple but important part of car maintenance. It's good for your car, your wallet, and the environment. So grab your tools, follow these steps, and give your car the clean bill of health it deserves. And remember, if you're not comfortable doing it yourself, a mechanic is always a phone call away.